All right, everybody. Good morning. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday, August 2nd. Can't believe we're in August already. Hopefully August is going to bring us a good month and kind of just relax a little bit for us. It's been a crazy 6 months. We're jumping out on the Jeep, heading out to Kings River natural area. There's supposed to be a waterfall, nice little hike out there. Gonna kind of go out there, just kind of check things out. Never seen it. And then after that, kind of run over to Ozarks General Store, maybe have some lunch and just kind of explore some back roads, do some forest roads, that sort of thing. So I thought I'd bring you along this Sunday. It's actually 68 degrees, so it's beautiful out. Usually would be on a motorcycle, but decided it was time to get the Jeep out a little bit and go find some dirt roads and do some exploring. So thought I'd bring you all along. Hope you all have a good day. Thanks, everybody. Well, I made it. So we're at Kings River Falls. I've never done this trail before. Looks really nice though. Took some really good back roads to get here, so that was kind of cool. You'll see some of that on here as well. But the trail looks really nice so far. Nothing too crazy. There's a river that runs right along everything. I'm missing my partner in crime today. Jamie's in Albuquerque, visiting her parents, eating good red chili. So I'm sure she's having a great time. It's pretty cool. Just as we thought, where I thought there wasn't going to be a lot of water in there, but there's a little bit. Not too bad. We are going to have to bring Jamie back though. She'll love it up here. A little easier to climb up over here. But again, this isn't bad at all. All right, I'm going to head back, turn you back on a little bit. Bye. It's raining pretty darn good. So I think I'm gonna try to get into Ozarks, get some lunch. I'll leave the back undone for now.